everything was run properly. Oh, sorry. Oh, good. Everything was empty things. Empty. I'm fair on this. Yeah. So this is we expecting to put it in the room. Print it, put it in the room. So everybody can know directly. The thing that I'm still doing is ask to Pak Alam because there is some local number here that I have to edit because I don't have any local number like police station, search and rescue, Pontianak, and other things. We need to establish this one just only for us to make sure that emergency response plan is in place. We have some search and rescue action flowchart. Whatever the thing, we will follow the sequencing on this. In 5 minutes, all the ground staff and us didn't receive any kind of notification or flight following is missing, then we are comes to the uncertainty phase in 5 minutes. We didn't receive any message or location or coordinate from you, it means we will declare in server. Then after that 15 minutes, still didn't have any updated, then we moving to the alert phase for alpha. After that, then we come to the distress phase. That's why we need some context to the search and rescue locally. So they have to monitor on this. We have to contact I have to contact this one. So I will be the one to handling the crisis management center. And whatever the reason, last coordinate, well, and search and rescue team will be asked the last coordinate. If there is some search and rescue around here, they will deploy some. We will make sure the communication in place. Then they will doing some search and rescue on us. There is some